Welcome to Chetorials. Today we're diving into the Sicilian Defence. One of the most powerful ways to fight e4 is black. If you're tired of mirroring moves and want dynamic counterplay, this one's for you. The Sicilian Defence starts with e4 c5. Instead of playing e5 and going symmetrical, black pushes the c-pawn to challenge the center from the flank. This leads to sharp, unbalanced positions, perfect for players who want to take control and play for a win. Most white players follow up with knight f3, then d4, entering the open Sicilian, which typically goes like this: knight f3, d6. d4, pawn takes on d4. Knight recaptures. Now we're ready for the main variations. Let's break them down. First is the Najdorf variation of the Sicilian Defence. In the Najdorf, black plays a 6. This prevents white's bishop or knight from jumping to b5 and prepares e5 or b5 for expansion. It's aggressive, flexible, and was a favorite of Garry Kasparov. Black could also play g6 after white's knight c3 with the plan to fianchetto the dark-colored bishop. This is the dragon variation of the Sicilian Defence. In this variation, black sets up pressure along the h8 to a1 diagonal and creates exciting tactical battles. Another variation for the Sicilian Defence after white's knight c3 is the classical variation. The classical variation develops naturally with knight c6. It's a great option if you want quick castling and less theory. In the Scheveningen variation, black plays e6 instead of a6, or knight c6. This creates a solid pawn wall on d6 and e6, making it hard for white to break through. Or maybe you want speed. The accelerated dragon starts with knight c6 after knight f3 and then g6, skipping d6. It saves a tempo but demands accurate play. If white avoids knight f3 and knight c3, it's called the closed Sicilian. This setup avoids early d4 and goes for a slower kingside buildup. Here's a quick recap. Najdorf, sharp and powerful. Dragon, fianchetto bishop, classical, solid and natural. Scheveningen, flexible setup. Accelerated dragon, speed. Closed Sicilian, slow buildup. As a beginner, try the classical or Scheveningen first. They're easier to understand and teach good development habits. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more bite-sized chess lessons every week. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite Sicilian variation? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.